Hey, it's Sam with Just Grill and Outdoor Living. We've got the new SloRoller accessory from Kamado Joe in store. Today we're going to take a look at it and tell you a bit more about it. You may or may not have heard about this accessory, but Kamado Joe released it in 2019 when they launched the 3rd generation grills. Well, now they've got it in a compatible accessory that fits the 1st and 2nd generation models, and they have it in a classic and Big Joe size. So what exactly is the SloRoller? It's a new way to think about deflector plates. Everyone's pretty accustomed to using deflector plates or a ConvEGGtor in their Kamado grill. Well, this replaces that and improves upon it. The SloRoller is going to distribute heat and smoke in circulating waves, providing a better smoke flavor and reducing hot spots. This black top piece, that's what's going to help distribute heat evenly, leading to reduced hot spots and more consistent cooks. When you're using the SloRoller, you just treat it like a typical low and slow smoke. You don't need to add any extra fuel, just add the normal amount. The accessory also comes with a cooking rack that lifts the cooking grate just a little bit above the SloRoller. Installation is really easy. All you'll do is pull the existing flexible cooking rack out of the grill. You'll put the SloRoller down, resting it on top of the metal rim that holds the firebox together, and then you'll put the cooking grate in place. The SloRoller is a great accessory to have. It's designed specifically for low and slow cooks. So if you're looking for even heat and better smoke flavor, this is the accessory to own. We've got them in stores, so drop in and check them out today. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you at the store soon.